Hello guys, welcome back to The Truth, where we give you the right update, and please don't forget to subscribe. Donald Trump has filed an enchantment looking for to push aside a civil in shape filed via way of means of a Capitol police officer on Friday. The lawsuit accuses the previous president of inciting the assault at the Capitol on January 6, 2021, which led to numerous deaths and 140 injured police officers. According to files shared via way of means of CBS News congressional correspondent Scott MacFarlane, Trump is arguing absolute immunity with inside the enchantment. Meanwhile, Donald Trump goes to an appeals courtroom docket 2 again searching for dismissal of a civil in shape filed via way of means of Capitol police officer, wrote MacFarlane. Suit accuses him of upsetting Jan 6 assault, arguing absolute immunity. According to the Washington Post, the civil lawsuit changed into filed via way of means of U.S. Capitol Police Officer Breonna Kirkland at the one-year anniversary of January 6 with inside the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C. Kirkland accused Trump of upsetting the assault, which triggered her emotional and bodily pain. Kirkland changed into outnumbered 452 at least one, whilst she covered the Capitol doorways and suffered a stressful mind harm after the Trump-incited mob breached the constructing. The lawsuit contends that Trump directed the mob that attacked the Capitol constructing and led to her being assaulted and battered. As the chief of this violent mob, who took their cues from his marketing campaign rhetoric and private tweets and traveled from across the United States to the nation's capital at Trump's invitation for the January 6 rally, Trump changed into a function of extremely good effect over his followers, who dedicated attack and battery on Breonna Kirkland. Study the complaint. Trump, via way of means of his phrases and conduct, directed the mob that stormed the Capitol and assaulted and battered Breonna Kirkland. In addition to scrutiny for his efforts to overturn the consequences of the 2020 election and over the January 6 assault at the U.S. Capitol via way of means of his supporters, Trump is going through an FBI research associated with the capability mishandling of categorized files that have been dispatched to Mar-a-Lago. Among the facts seized at some point of the exceptional seek of the house of a former president had been files marked top secret, secret and confidential. Trump, who's weighing every other White House run in 2024, vehemently denounced the FBI raid and claimed that each one of the cloth confiscated at some point of the hunt have been previously declassified. The warrant to look Trump's home, which changed into, in my view, approved via way of means of Attorney General Merrick Garland, directed the FBI to capture facts illegally possessed in violation of 3 crook statutes, together with one falling beneath the Espionage Act, which makes it a criminal offense to illegally gain or maintain countrywide protection information. Trump is likewise going through investigations into his commercial enterprise practices.